Hello and welcome. Today's presentation is brought to you by Science Visualized, and today we're looking at the reactions of alkenes, part 1. So the first reaction here, we are using NBS, that's N-bromosuccinamide, and that's actually reacts like Br2, so basically it gives Br and Br adding across the double bond, and that addition is anti. So we see the double bond here, so those are the two double bond carbons, and you end up adding the Br in an anti-fashion. That means one Br goes in, the other one comes out. Or in the first one coming out, and then the second one you have the Br going in. The second reaction is actually with Br2, and basically it's the same as what we just saw. So you end up with one Br going in, the other Br coming out, the other one with the Br coming out and then going in. In the third reaction, we're using HCl, so hydrogen chloride, and that adds H and Cl across a double bond in a Markovnikov fashion. So Markovnikov fashion means that the chlorine will add to the most substituted carbon, so that alkene there has 2 alkyl groups on it, while this other alkene carbon has only one alkyl group. So it will add to the first one. You end up with a chlorine added to that position and a hydrogen on the other position. Here I'm not going to draw the other products because this is actually a mixture of 4 products where you have one product with the chlorine going in, another one coming out, and then the same with hydrogen going in and coming out. Next, HCl with peroxide. So when you react with HCl and peroxide, you actually end up with what's called anti-Markovnikov addition. We saw in this reaction that with Markovnikov reaction, chlorine added to the most substituted carbon. So now with anti-Markovnikov, chlorine adds to the least substituted carbon, while hydrogen adds to the other carbon. Last, with Br2 and an alcohol, in this case, you end up adding Br across the double bond to give you the bromonium ion intermediate, and then that bromonium ion will open in such a way that the alcohol, and that alcohol gives you CH3O nucleophile, so you end up with the OCH3 added there, and the bromine added here, and that's also anti-addition. And you also have the other product where the OCH3 is coming out and the bromine is going in. Thank you very much for your time. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and also support the channel by subscribing. And stay tuned for part 2.